happy and so
že Boh mi dal tak dobrého muža,
that God has blessed her with such an amazing husband
ktorý ma vždy podporoval
who always was supporting me
vo všetkom,
in everything.
vždy je pri mne,
And he's always there with me,
miluje ma.
for me, and he loves me.
Ale dobre, poďme ďalej.
Okay, so let's move forward.
Boh jednal v našom živote.
And God started to do something in our lives.
My sme vždy verili v Boha,
We always was believing God,
ale nikdy sme nežili pre Neho.
but we never lived for Him.
Verili sme v Boha.
We was believing God.
Kto z vás verí v Boha? Zdvihnite
Believing
ruky.
God, just raise up your hands.
Nože, kto verí v Boha?
Just put up your hands.
Ja chcem vidieť všetky ruky, keď si na tomto mieste, tak veríš v Boha.
All hands up, okay, if you believe in God.
Dúfam, že si neprišiel len preto, aby si videl mňa,
I just hope you didn't come just to see me,
ale že chceš dotyk
but you really wanted touch
of the Holy Spirit.
od Ducha Svätého.
Dobre. Aleluja. Pretože to je to,
That is
čo milujeme,
what we love.
keď sa Duch Svätý hýbe.
When the Holy Spirit is,
Keď sa dotýka srdc
when He's touching hearts,
a keď mení životy,
and when changing lives,
tak ako zmenil nám.
like He changed our lives.